Yo. Oh, what's up, YouTube? That was a bad intro. Maybe we should do it again? Yeah. No, let's just leave it. Who cares? Who cares? We're new. People look past it, alright? So this is me and Blake. Not me, Sebastian. That's not my name. This is Sebastian and Blake. Today we're going to be testing out the strength of each Nerf gun we have. 3 of them are inshootable because either the battery's dead, we know it's the batteries for it, because they're giant batteries,
or
like this size. Got you guys.
Or it's a real gun, like a rifle.
Yeah, or we don't have the shells for the shotgun, double barrel shotgun Nerf. So we're going to be showing you each of the Nerf guns we're going to shoot. We're going to shoot 1 bullet each. We're going to see the speed. I can calculate speed because I don't know.
No, you can't.
No, it's a gift.
Oh, okay.
It's a gift. And then we're going to be see how powerful they are by shooting me in the back. And then we're going to shoot a pellet to see each creator each one makes. Each one makes. So we're going to go ahead and go show you guys the guns.
Wait, did we turn on the... Okay.
Just scratch my butt. I mean,
wait,
what?
We can't show them the special one yet.
Oh, yeah, the special one, yeah.
We can't show them the guests. Yeah.
The special guest. The movie star actor.
Oh, wait.
So, we have really powerful guns and really weak guns. It doesn't matter. I don't care.
I think the one that's going to hurt the most is the rival.
Wait, you weren't supposed to say it, man. Come on. Get together. I'm kidding.
Where's it? We don't even have a bullet for this thing.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, where is it?
It's in the box. Okay, so first we have this one.
This one? The rifle? I'm kidding.
Yeah. We're going to be shooting me in the head with this one. No, I'm kidding. It's an actual gun, so we're not going to shoot it or even touch it. Don't mind me doing this, okay? But then we have the Dominator, the zombie malicious gun. Kills zombies with accuracy and ammo capacity. That rhymed.
Can you hold this up for a second?
No, I'm kidding. What are you looking for? Remember, it's out of batteries.
I know. Oh.
What are you?
Okay. One tip for you guys. If you want to rob our house, I wouldn't do it. We've got freaking like shotguns.
Hey, back up your head. You're too close to the camera. What are these?
What are those? They're to my...
We can't shoot those. Remember, those don't come out.
Yeah, they... Oh, yeah.
Get them back in there. This is all the bullets we need.
No, I'm putting out my fake gun.
Why are you getting more bullets?
So we can put it in the gun and we can shoot people.
No, like, we're only shooting 1 bullet in each gun. This green bullet, because it's the most powerful bullet. Thank you guys for helping me put that bullet back in there. We have 2 more.
No, boy, stop.
Die. Okay, but hurry up, seriously, man. Come on. She needs to shut up. No, I'm kidding. Why? Okay. So get that one locked and loaded because it's a special bullet. Go ahead and get this one one-handed. Make sure you guys how to do this one one-handed.
Before you get shot by my best baby right here.
It's the Proton.
Time to get shot in the face.
Stop.
It's like time to get shot in the face.
So this is the Proton. So you do it one-handed. Put your finger right here, loop it. Yank. Oh crap, that was off camera. Oh, there was one-handed camera. You lay it on any surface, grab it. That was fail. Then I grab the disc. Then push it in there.
This is probably like the coolest fake gun I've ever gotten from a friend. Like the best aiming.
It's the M14.
And when you shoot it, bullet comes out. It's like...
Hey, don't touch that. That's a hot bullet. No, I'm kidding.
It's like... What?
So each of the guns we're going to be shooting today with 1 green bullet is the most powerful bullet we have. It's the strongest. And it shoots the furthest because it's the heaviest. So we're going to start with the smaller gun and move on. Okay, like ready? So we're going to... So go ahead and start with the bow. Oh no, that's the point.
But if we aim with this thing and it doesn't work.
They'll look. You aren't shooting me. Remember, I'm testing out the speed.
Oh.
Oh yeah, because it's not on the right spot. Put it all the way down. There you go. There you go. Okay, so I'm ranking it from worst to... Oh crap, my hand was in the way. Hey guys. So I'm ranking it from slowest to fastest. That was definitely the slowest and the fastest at the same time. Wait, what are you doing? Yeah,
You haven't seen any of you guys.
No, it's the slowest and the fastest. It's the slow. No, it's the slowest and the fastest.
I thought you said we were gonna be shooting you in the back.
Yeah, we're doing that after. I'm just testing out the speed. Okay.
With all these guns?
Yeah. Gotta make the video long, bro. No, it gets more views and it gets more suggestions. And more views, more money, bro.
Making a video just for viewers and stuff like that. So
isn't that what everyone does YouTube for at first?
Yeah.
Especially Jake Paul. Jake Paul's all for the views. Do not watch him. I'm kidding. You can watch whatever you want. I'm singling out.
Okay, John, shoot you in the back.
No, okay. So it's wait.
Rory, share. Oh god.
Okay, yeah, that was the fastest so far.
That almost hit the one that Jen made.
Oh yeah, my mom made this. Arkansas Razorbacks. That gives you a hint on where we're living, which is in Arkansas. Try to find.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. Bruh, put that back in there, you stupid. You stupid child. Boop.
Stupid mom.
Okay, so we might have a commercial break in between just for money because we need it.
That's stupid. That was so.
It was a joke.
Let me shoot the painting.
Okay, hold on, let me get in the spot. I'm ready
to do that. Ready, set. Yeah.
That was definitely the fastest so far.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
No.
Yeah, it was. Like, I have the gift. I have
No, you
the gift.
don't. You have no gift.
Okay, guys, comment down below how you want me to kill this kid. I'm kidding. So now it's... Did it get stuck? Oh, I thought I got stuck on the purpose. So out of the guns we shot, it's gonna be from slowest to fastest.
This baby is gonna freaking like demolish kids. Oh, yeah,
So slowest to
Don't
fastest.
shoot in the hell with this baby. Okay, ready? This one's gonna be fast though, okay? Ready, set. Whoa!
Like you can't even see the bullet.
That was the fastest one so far.
Yeah, and it bounced off. So
I can freaking shoot you in the back right
like
now
stop.
and beat you up.
No, we're putting it right here because we're ranking it from slowest to fastest. Slowest to fastest.
You're a peen. Peeny bean.
This bullet's messed up too, which means it's gonna go slower.
Who cares?
Okay, are you ready?
No.
This one's probably gonna be one of the slowest because it sucks. It has the accuracy, but it does not have the speed.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna shoot it.
No, I'm
Then
kidding.
I get one. Like-
Yeah, blind in one eye, that's the max, bro.
Like that. You are a freaking spin. Like that was. This one sucks.
Your hand was good.
And we will freaking shoot you with all our Nerf guns if you freaking come to our house.
Yeah.
It's gonna go. Brrr.
No, actually, we're gonna shoot you with actual guns.
Yeah, with like the rifle and the shotgun.
Yeah, we have a 12 gauge shotgun, so I don't recommend.
Yeah, I recommend you not coming to our house.
No, I don't recommend you come to our house.
Oh.
Good fan. Oh yeah, I'm just
I'm
singing.
gonna shoot both of them. That was kind of cool.
Wait, did you even shoot the bullet?
Yeah.
Oh.
This thing's heavy.
Yeah.
With one hand. It's a heavy gun.
Bruh, what are you doing?
It's like walking. No.
So then we have 3 more left. No, 4 more left. Yeah, 4 more left. So the rifle's in first place still.
This gun sucks, people.
No, it doesn't suck. It has speed but no accuracy. And like if you press the special button, yeah, it doesn't work. It's dead.
Oh.
If you shoot it, it brings out a blinding light for a couple seconds. It's actually blowing you for a couple seconds. No joke.
Ready, set. Didn't even shoot it.
It's not even the wrong hole, dude. It's supposed to be on the top. Bro, do you not know freaking luck, bro?
Ow.
So this is our movie theater room. As you can see, that's it's freaking a projector. That's a projector.
Okay, ready, set. No, I'm not shooting that gun. I'm not shooting that gun.
So no, do not put it there because it's the slowest. Remember? Just set it down on the floor because it didn't even shoot. Trash.
It's like, go back.
I mean, my gun's really old and it's been outside for 2 weeks, out in the freezing rain. So no wonder it's not shooting.
This is the gun I got for my B-Day.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite, actually?
What do you mean? Ready, set. It's like ready, set.
You didn't put it in the wrong hole. No, cock it back. There you go. It's good. It's good.
Ready, set.
Okay, that one was second fastest, so put it behind the rifle.
It's gonna take like 18 minutes.
We're already on 11 minutes.
Huh?
We're already on
Okay,
11 minutes.
This one is fast. This one is
Yeah.
fast. And
Yeah.
It hurts. Like the rifle, I think it hurts the most out of my belly button. Out of our Nerf guns. But the rifle hurts the most, but this one hurts too. Like I shot my friend with that in my mom's house. Freaking gave me a big bruise.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys a secret that I never told you before. So, with this gun, I'm showing them the gun. So with this gun, I did something stupid. This is serious talk. I'm being serious, 100% serious. With that gun, I don't know why. After a shower, I shot myself in the balls with that gun.
Oh gosh.
I should not have done that.
Okay,
Let's
ready?
just say that. Okay, hold on, wait.
That was like.
Bruh, you were the furthest back on that one, and it still went the quickest over there.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
It's right behind the rifle.
No, it's in front. Trust me.
Fine, I'm gonna go.
Cause you shot the rifle a bit back, like a foot back. There you go. That's good. You shot it about right there.
Yeah, that one's the rifle's faster. Actually, no, I would say they're the same. No, the rifle.
Yeah, let's just put the rifle in front because of the.
Rifle, you are just like the man.
And guys, hold on, if you guys can catch me, I'm gonna try to act like Jake Paul one moment in this video, and if you guys catch me, I'll send you guys a gift.
Huh?
I will send you guys like a pair of shoes.
What? If they find us?
No, not if they find us. So I'm gonna act like Jake Paul one moment in this video, and if they get it right, the moment right, I will get them. I'll give you guys a speaker.
Nice.
A Bluetooth speaker. You can charge it up, and you can also connect it to your phone if it dies.
Let's get this ready. Oh, that one's pretty good.
Yeah, that one was fast.
But not the fastest.
I think it was the third fastest of all of them.
That's what I was. But this is the cool part that you can go.
Yeah. Or horn, Blake. Hold on, can you hand it to me?
I'll hold it.
Yeah, I'm sitting down because I'm lazy.
I'm saying out because I'm wavy.
So this is another thing you can do. So you have the gun like this and you're shooting, right?
Mm-hmm. Ha!
If you do it right, it will actually cock back. Oh no, I didn't do it right. Hold on. It won't work.
It won't work. It's just
I think it's a bit old, so.
put it behind. Oh gosh.
So next we're gonna do the indent with a pillow to see how big of a crater it is. With this pillow right here.
What are we gonna do?
So we're gonna shoot the bullet out of the gun. It's gonna hit this pillow and it's gonna make a crater. We're gonna see how big that crater is.
I am not making this video that long.
Hold on, hit me with the camera.
I'm gonna shoot you in the back now.
Wait. Guess what? You ain't shooting me in the back.
What?
I'm going to show you the end of that. Oh, just take a look at how long my video is.
Oh, okay.
We don't have time for that.
We're probably gonna end it.
Yeah. So hold on, let's go ahead and do the ending scene. This is. Yeah, I can pick the pillow up. Pick the pillow up. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it. We should have started the video in front of this white screen. That's nice. Yeah. Okay. So come here. Oh crap.
And guys, if you come over and if you are subscribed and you find our house, our dad might let you come in here and watch on the flat screen.
Yeah, we will let you know.
Maybe.
So there's a projector right there. Rear projector.
Not for sure, but maybe.
There's even stuff right there.
89 billion illegal off it.
Shut up. This is the screen. That's a giant sound wave thing. I don't know. So that's the end of the video, guys. Sorry I couldn't do that part. That probably would have been the most fun, most painful for me anyway. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.